Hello, teacher. Teacher.
Hello, Potato. Good evening. Hi.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, can you hear teacher?
Yeah,
Yes, how are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay, Potato. What day
Huh?
is today? Today is?
There is at now.
Oh, today is Tuesday again?
Today is Tuesday.
All right, great work, Potato. Today is Tuesday. That's why we have class today. Okay, so let me share to you the screen, Potato, so we can now start with our lesson for this evening. Here we go. All right, so we have here lesson 4 of this unit 14. So, Potato, let's have a review. So, we have here. Okay. Look at here, Potato. Reuse is there if the object is singular. Okay? Is there, example, is there a fan in the room? You see
Yeah.
this? What's the answer? Yes. Again, yes, there is. Again.
There is.
And no, there isn't.
There is.
Okay, great work. Okay. Now here, let's practice, Potato. Look at here. Huh?
It's small.
It's
Small.
small? Why it's small?
It's small here.
Oh, okay. Are you using phone?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's small because you're using phone. Okay, so just follow what teacher says. Okay, here. Is there a cup in the bedroom? Again. Is there?
Is there
Again.
a cup? Is there a cup in the bedroom?
Very good. What's the answer? Look at the bedroom. Is there a cup? Look at Potato. No, there isn't. Again.
No, there isn't. I
Okay.
don't see.
No, there isn't because there is no cup. Okay, next, Potato. Is there a curtain in the kitchen? Again, is there
Is there?
a curtain
Is there? Is there a curtain
in the kitchen?
in
Come
the
on.
kitchen?
Okay, what's the answer? Look at the kitchen. Is there a curtain in the kitchen?
Yes, it is.
Yes, there is. Again. Okay,
Yes,
yes.
there is.
All right, very good. Now here, look at here, Potato. I have here a picture. Potato. Is there a table in the room?
Yeah.
What's the answer? Yes?
Yes, it is.
No, yes, there is. Again.
Yes, there is. And yes, there is.
Okay,
Yes, there is.
Potato. Is there a cupboard in the kitchen?
Cupboard. Yes, there. No, there isn't.
Oh, look at there. Look at the picture.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Next, number 3, Potato. Is there a curtain in the bedroom?
Is there a kitchen in the bedroom?
Yeah, what's the answer?
No,
Curtain, look at the bedroom.
I don't know.
Bedroom, is there a curtain?
It is a. I don't know. Guitar.
Yes, there is. Again.
Yes, there is.
Now, number 4, Potato. Is there a book in the bathroom?
Yes, they eat.
Oh, there's a book? There's a book in the
No.
bathroom? No, there.
Okay. Eat that.
Okay, no, there isn't. Number 5, potato. Is there a sofa in the living room?
That it's sofa in the living sofa. No. Eat.
Oh, no sofa?
Yes, sofa.
Okay, yes, there is. Again.
That is.
Okay, now potato, look at picture 1. Is there a TV in the living room? Is there a yeah, TV in the living room?
That it. Yes, they eat.
Yes, there is.
Yes,
Potato. Okay, potato. Is there a mirror in the kitchen? Is there a mirror in the kitchen?
No, there isn't.
Very good. Potato. Is there a bed in the dining room?
Yes, bed and room.
Yeah, is there a bed in the dining room?
No.
No, there.
No, they eat.
No, there isn't. Again. No, there isn't. Again.
No,
There
there isn't.
isn't. Okay, very good. The potato, let's have a quiz. Oh, you're sending me a message. Oh, what's that? Okay, potato, look at the bedroom. Is there a picture in the bedroom?
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't. Let's check. Picture. Look at the picture. Is there a picture in the bedroom?
Yeah,
What's the answer?
yes, they eat. Yes, they eat.
Yes,
Yes, they
there
eat.
is. Let's see. Very good, potato. Okay, next. Next, potato. Is there a window in the kitchen? Look at the kitchen picture.
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't. Very good. Next, potato. Is there a bed in the bedroom?
Yes, eat. Yes, they eat.
Yes, there is. Correct. Next, potato. Are there any books on the table? Look at the table. Are there any books on the table?
No, they aren't.
No,
No,
there aren't. Very good. Wow, great work, potato. So let's read and match. Okay, potato. Wait me. I will write. Okay, I have here this one. I'll put letters. This one is letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, E, and F. Okay, potato. Look at number 1. What is number 1? Read number 1. Number 1, a bed. What letter? Okay, what letter is a bed? Which one? Which letter is bed? A, B, C, D, E, or F?
Let me.
Okay.
Let me.
Okay.
You stop.
What stop?
Yeah. Let me.
Okay. Oh, you draw lines, potato. Draw lines. Where is a bed?
It is a bed.
Okay, what letter is a bed? Letter?
Letter I.
Letter A is a bed? Look at letter A picture. Is
No.
it a bed? Okay,
No,
which
it's
one? Where is a letter?
I.
Letter A is the bed.
Bed is little D.
Letter D. Very good. So a bed is letter D. Okay, next. Potato, number 2. What is the word to?
Enough.
Maps. Which one is the map? Letter?
I.
Letter A, correct. Number 3, potato. What word is number 3? Please read 3.
Mirror.
Mirrors. Okay, which letter?
B.
Letter B. Very good. Number 4, potato. Read number 4. What's number 4? Read number 4.
Number 4 is door.
Doors. Which letter is doors? Letter?
Letter 4.
Oh, letter S. Again, letter?
F.
Okay, very good. Next, potato, number 5. What letter is number 5?
Fan.
Okay,
A.
fans. It's letter
A.
E. Correct. Number 6, potato. 6.
A window.
Windows is letter?
Letter C.
Very
C.
good. Okay, potato, let's check. I correctly answered. Great work. Very good, potato. You got all correct answers in this. You know where are these things are. Okay, so potato, let's do lesson 5. And lesson 5, here we go. Let's review. We have here words with letter A. What's this? It's the first word. It's a. What's word number 1? What's the first word, potato? Read.
I don't know.
Fan. Again. Again, fan. Okay.
Lamp.
This one. What's that word? Second word
I don't
is
know.
lamp. Again.
La.
Lamp. Again.
La.
Can.
Okay, this one. Next one is, what's the
I
next
don't
one?
know.
Can. Again.
Fan.
Okay. We have fan. Again, read fan. Again, fan. Potato, follow teacher. Fan.
Fan.
Lamp.
Fan.
Lamp.
Lamb.
Can.
Lamb. Lamb.
Very good. It has letter A sound.
I want to buy a fan.
Again. I want.
Wait me. Wait me.
Okay.
Wait me.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, potato, please read. I want to buy a fan. Again.
I want to buy a fan. A fan.
Okay. I want to
Where
buy
is the
a
can?
fan. Next, this one.
There is the can.
Okay,
is the-
where is the can?
Where is the can? Where is the can? Where is the can?
Okay, where is the can?
There is
Next.
a lamp in my bedroom.
Again, there is.
There's a lamp in my
Oh, again, don't mute. There is a lamp in my bedroom. Again, there is. Potato, say it. There is a lamp in my bedroom. Go. Potato.
yeah.
Again,
There
there
is a
is. In
There
my.
is a bedroom.
Okay, good job. Okay,
Cup.
potato. Let's have letter A. Cup. Again,
Cup.
Umbrella.
this one.
Umbrella.
Plum.
This one.
Jar.
Plum. Again, plum. So cup. Again, cup.
Cup.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella.
And plum.
Umbrella.
Is there a cup in the living room?
Again.
Is there a cup in the living room?
Okay, is there a cup in the living room?
I need an
There is a cup
umbrella.
in my living room.
Next, I need.
I need a bell.
Okay,
Umbrella.
I need an umbrella.
I really like eating plums.
This one. I really.
I like eating plum.
Okay, good job. Now here.
Foolish stuff.
Okay, look at here. Potato, listen.
1,
Where's the cup?
Okay, what's number 1?
Where is the cup?
Okay, what word? Write the word cup.
I don't write. You don't write.
Don't
You
write.
You don't write.
Okay, don't write. Where is the cup? Number 2, potato, listen.
Number 2 is I
Where's
don't
the
write.
fan?
2 is
Again, what's number 2? Where's the?
with the spot.
Very good. Look at potato, the answer. What's number 1? Where's the
Cup.
cup? Again,
Where is the cup?
the 2. Where's the fun? Again,
Where is the cup?
very
Fun.
good. Where's the fun? Okay. Potato, you enter again. The Zoom will close. You enter, okay? Enter again to the Zoom because it will close. I'll be back. Come back.